Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. Happy Veterans Day to all of our veterans out there, and hopefully folks can enjoy some wonderful weather today. We'll have some fog early this morning. In fact, we do have some dense fog out there probably until about 9 or 10 o'clock this morning, but we will be drying out today. High pressure moving in behind our weekend cold front, and actually a few degrees cooler today. We did wind up in the 80s on Sunday, should drop into the 70s today, but just great weather this afternoon, and we're on the lookout for any more rain here. Looks like we'll have a couple of cold fronts, one of those on Wednesday and one of those on Sunday, and that rain Wednesday or Sunday comes with a question mark because we really don't think we'll see much rain over the next 7 days given the dry conditions that these fronts will be coming into, but I can't rule out maybe just a few raindrops returning as soon as Wednesday. Issue this morning will be the fog, which is kind of moving up I-49 as the skies begin to clear out here, so dense fog across much of East Texas and Louisiana. We actually do have a dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. It does include Columbia County in Arkansas, and I do think we'll see some fog here on I-30. Folks aren't included in our dense fog advisory, but we'll see if that gets expanded to the north here as we go through the morning, but we should begin to see that fog lift out of here by about 8 or 9 a.m. But if you are traveling I-49 especially, just make sure you give yourself a little extra time. Things will be moving a little slower, especially with some of the dense fog out there this morning. We'll probably see quite a few of these foggy mornings throughout the week. So temperatures right now dropping through the 50s. I think most of us will be in the 50s here at sunrise, and clearing out pretty quickly. We did see the sun pop out late yesterday. There goes all the rain from the weekend well to the southeast of us. High pressure will buy us some dry weather for the next day or two here, and temperatures should feel great today. Again, I'm going mid to upper 70s. Computer models suggesting we'll be cooler than this today, but I think we'll see quite a bit of sun out there, so I did boost the highs a little bit higher than what the computer models are suggesting. But either way, I think most of us will wind up in the mid 70s this afternoon, and we don't have to wait long. Next front will be moving south out of Canada here, and will make its way into the Arctic on Wednesday. Won't feel any humidity for the next few days here, and since that front will be moving into dry air on Wednesday, it really doesn't look like we'll squeeze out much in the way of any rain or thunderstorm activity, and that's all right. We've had our fill of rain over the last week, so again, the front coming in Wednesday will probably stir up a few clouds, and only about a 20% chance of a rain shower, but that will be our best chance of rain throughout the work week here. And I do have some rain coming in maybe late in the weekend, so the 7-day rainfall map is showing about a quarter to a half inch of rain. I think most of that would come with the late weekend system if it does come to fruition, but we have some of the computer models saying there's not going to be anything out there late in the weekend, but I'm kind of siding with the GFS or the American model here, which does bring a warm front in late in the weekend, maybe triggering a few showers and storms here. Great temperatures though. We are going to stay in the 70s all the way through the end of the week and likely into the weekend as well. And most of the mornings here will be kind of chilly in the 40s and 50s, which is why I think we'll see some fog around throughout the week, especially with the ground being damp from some of the rainfall. But the afternoon's looking great. Again, just that slight chance of rain Wednesday and again on Sunday.